Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be an Amazon haul. I decided to pick up some supplies, and of course I want to share with you guys what I picked up. It's not a lot of things, but very useful in the crafting department. So I came across a 6-pack of these little tapes for the ATG gun. I guess it's more like a generic brand, but you get 6 for like $12. I've never tried them, so I decided to try them out. I can't tell you how they work as of yet because I haven't used them, but if you have, leave me a comment down below and let me know if they're just as good as the 2-pack that you get with I think it's, I don't know, the Scotch brand. I've never tried them, but why not, right? 6 for $12, that's a great deal because I pay for 2-pack like $6. So I picked that up. And then you guys, I saw these rose gold scissors, and I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I love scissors. I can never have too many. And I wanted to get the We Are Memory Keeper ones, the gold ones, but they had some bad reviews. So I was just like, I don't know if I want to get them. Ooh, these are nice and heavy. Look at that. Seems good. These are so pretty, you guys. Look at this. And they were $12, and they seem like they, I don't know if I should, let me see. Let's test it out. Oh yeah. You see that? I like. Okay. I see you, scissors. And these are the Fatima Taylor scissors. And they come in this little box. And they were like $12. I'm going to have everything linked down below so you guys can, of course, check it out. There's a little case here. So I got those. And then I picked up some craft paper because I ran out of it. And I got this. Let me see the... I usually get the craft paper out, not Target, Michael's. But I just wanted it to come with this order. It's not thick at all. Definitely not what I wanted. I wanted, excuse me, I wanted cardstock. I think I picked the wrong thing. It's okay, because I can always like mat it or something if it's like layer it. But I picked up some craft paper, and then I picked up some black cardstock because I never noticed I don't have any black cardstock. Like I had a few sheets here and there, but I didn't have a good amount. And sometimes I'm always creating a project and I need black paper. You always need black in certain projects, and it's like I didn't have any, so I picked this up. And then the last thing that I got, oops, it's gonna fall. My desk area, you guys, is insane. Is some 12 by 12 chipboard. You guys can see that? You get 25 chipboard pieces, and this is perfect to create like your little flip books or mini albums because it's thick enough. So I'm hoping that I don't have a hard time with it on my Cricut, because you guys, I tried cutting foam on my Cricut the other day and it did not cut. So if you guys know if there's a special tool that I need to cut the foam on the Cricut, can you let me know? Because it would not cut at all. It did the outlining, but it didn't cut the foam. So maybe I need a deeper blade. I don't know. I'm not sure. All you Cricut ladies, leave me a comment down below letting me know what do I need to be able to cut chipboard and foam. If I need a special blade, let me know which one it is so that I can pick it up. But that is my haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for stopping by, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.